Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Let me introduction myself. My name is Elva Febrianti from Institut Teknologi 10 November. Today I will present my research about conversion of nyamplung oil into liquid fuel by hydrocracking process using Nemo Gamma Alumina bimetallic based catalyst. Outline in my presentation, number 1, introduction and preparation of nickel molybdenum sulfate on gamma alumina. Next, hydrocracking of nyamplung oil, become conversion of triglyceride to biofuel. Energy demand in Indonesia continues to increase from year to year. This occurs in all sectors including the industrial, transportation, commercial, and household sector. The transportation sector of the largest sector consumes energy compared to the sector that still depend on fossil fuels. Fuel oil or BBM hold very dominant position in meeting national energy needs. The causing an energy crisis. So, the Indonesian government energy alternative in solution presidential regulation about energy diversification. The call is biofuel. Biofuel, the material from potential edible oil and non-edible oil. Benefit of biofuel. Number 1, source from renewable materials, reduce dependence on fossil oil, environmental friendly, can produce energy without increased level in the air, generates biogas oil, biokerosene, and biogas oil. The nyamplung plants a pretty good prospect. Nyamplung should have a high oil yield up to 17.4%. 1 liter of nyamplung oil can be produced from 2 into 2.5 of nyamplung seed from Laksono et al. 2040. And nyamplung oil, alternative energy, one of alternative methods with hydrocracking method to convert vegetable oil into biofuel using metal, nickel, and molybdenum based on gamma alumina as support. This is nyamplung oil after degamming. The degamming oil in this study contained saturated fatty acid, palmitate, and stearate is 31.55%, and unsaturated fatty acid or oleic and linoleic is 63.92%. The Z of nyamplung oil is high, the range of 15 into 17.3%. From Melwati et al. 2040. The catalyst for metallic function, and E-metal is selective against decarboxylation and hydrogenation reaction, and MO-metal has high selectivity to the hydrogenation reaction. hydrogen can minimize costs with exit function. Gamma alumina, we have like surface area about 50 into 300 and for volume 0.5 into 1 from Purwanto et al. Combined in conversion of nyamplung oil into liquid full by hydrocracking process using NIMU gamma alumina bimetallic based catalyst in my research. Result and discussion this research. Number 1, degamming process nyamplung oil. This stable composition of nyamplung oil after degamming. After degamming the nyamplung oil, we have for fatty acid component is high-his value oleic acid about 63.69%. This is same other research states that the composition of nyamplung oil consists of 29.41% saturated fatty acid and 17.32% unsaturated fatty acid from Rahmawati et al. 230. Catalytic characterization. This is XRD diffraction on gamma alumina and NEMO gamma alumina catalyst. Peak diffraction gamma alumina found at 2 theta 337 and 67. The MO pass in C at the diffraction peak 2 theta 25 60 and 73 based on GPDS with intensities 100%. As for the Ne metal identifies an angle to theta 36, 44 and 53 metal pass with a C based on GPDS. This is a BET analysis result NIMU gamma alumina. The BET with surface area gamma alumina was 185 and the pori 0.224 and the specific area 160.300 milligram from GP Parset et al. And EDX is highest value catalyst with NEMO gamma alumina ration 2:1 with Ne 4.68% and MO 3.19%. This is a scanning electron microscope image analysis in image in figure A with this is NIMU gamma alumina ration catalyst ration 2:2 and image B NEMO gamma alumina ration 2:1. Number 2, hydrocracking of nyamplung oil into biofuel. The GCMS biofuel chromatograph used NEMO gamma alumina from the figure A, ration 2/2, and figure B, ration 2/1 at temperature of 300 Celsius. And figure 6, the GCMS chromatograph in temperature 350 per Celsius. And then figure 7, the effect of reaction temperature on yield biofuel product. And figure A, with NiMO gamma alumina ration 2/2, and image B, NiMO gamma alumina ration 2/1. From the graphic, in we see the dominance from the fraction biofuel is gasoline or diesel is very high and domination. Next, this is figure X, about effect of reaction temperature and selectivity and paraffin, gasoline, and gasoil, and conversion in the nyamplung oil hydrocracking process using NiMO gamma alumina catalyst. This is from the graphic. High conversion cracking process, it appears that the Pierce effect of NiMO increase the selectivity of liquid hydrocarbon products, but the increase is more dominant in the gasoil or diesel fraction. With conversion is 97.28%. Conclusion from my research, number 1, the best performance of the catalyst in the hydrocracking reaction of nyamplung oil is given by type of the catalyst NiMO gamma alumina loading and ration 15%, ration 2/2 at the temperature 315 Celsius. Number 1, the biofuel product produced in dominance by gasoil, NiMO gamma alumina with NiMO gamma alumina catalyst at temperature 315 Celsius result in greater conversion of 97.18%, and the selectivity dominated by gasoil product is 44.51%. Hexyl about in the gasoil fraction is 81.54% using NiMO gamma alumina catalyst ration 2/1. Hydrocracking process of nyamplung oil into biofuel using NiMO gamma alumina catalyst. The products obtain domination by gasoline fraction. The last my presentation. Thank you.